We're going to Bali! Bali! Hi guys, good morning. It's 7 p.m. Wednesday right now and I'm ready to put my cute outfit, do my hair and put some makeup. And now I'm going to the airport because I'm going to Bali today. I'm kinda in a rush right now, so I'll see you at the airport. Subscribers, meet Leah. Leah, meet my subscribers. We're going to Bali. Bali. So Leah, how long are we gonna stay in Bali?
We don't know.
We don't know
stay
yet.
so
We
long.
don't know yet. And are we gonna celebrate the silent
day?
Silent day.
But we don't know yet. Maybe we go to Gili or
We
Kempinski.
don't know yet. Hello guys, finally we make it to Bali. How is the flight?
Good. Sucks actually.
Wow.
Hardcore.
By the way, subscribers, meet Cynthia. Cynthia meet Vic. Let me put the camera like this.
Don't put it there. I'm just.
Hi. Hi. Oh, it's freaking hot in Bali. My friends arranged the check-in. Welcome, second home. So,
Connecting away.
so we share the bed, we share everything. We just don't share our boyfriend.
Who's the boyfriend? You got no one.
No boyfriend.
Boyfriend, single as fuck.
Today is Thursday and I'm going to the waterfall with my friends. They bringing all their class 1. But I forget what's the name of the waterfall. I think it's C2 waterfall something. So there's gonna be like 6 people and we rent a car and it's gonna be like 1 hour from here to there. But first I really need to get a coffee and some breakfast. Well, see you guys.
Gak bisa Jun.
Make some anywhere sound for this one. Just to answer the question.
Still a long way to get there. Hey guys, it's still a long way to get there. It's so beautiful.
Maybe have to phone your friend down. Careful.
I get it.
So pretty.
So cool. So cool. Look at that.
Send me the photos now.
We wish you Merry Christmas.
Don't block me. Bagus.
Ooh.
Okay.
You're taller.
Thank you, Val. That's pretty enough.
Diyan na lo. So humor or fun at all. It's so ice cold over. I don't know. Life done.